is the mahogany plant. It's very beneficial, powerful in treating piles. Also, it also enhances male fertility and also make you last long in bed. It's a very powerful plant. Yes, that is the mahogany plant. Mahogany plant. Yes, check its leaves. Yes, this is the mahogany plant. See the leaves? Yes, it's very powerful and medicinal property. The bark is used as bitters for men who are weak in bed, and it's used to treat sexual dysfunction. Yes, so if you want the bark anywhere, you can contact me, subscribe to the channel, and get more plants and their benefit. Thank you. Yeah, this is the African mosquito plant. Yes, it's a parasite plant that feed on another plant. You see, this is the plant, the rare plant, and you see, as you can see, it is on it as a parasite. So this is a parasite plant. As you can see, it joins at a point of this plant, different leaves all together with this mosquito plant. It's very beneficial. You use it to treat a lot of ailments. You can use it spiritually. It has a spiritual powerful. This mosquito is a powerful plant. Yes, it is used as detox. We use it to detox our blood. Use to anything that is poisonous. You can detox it, blend it, the leaf, and take it, and it will detox your blood. It also boosts your blood volume. This is the mango plant. Yes, yeah, this is the mango plant. You see the back. You can see some of the fruit has fallen, and then yes, the fruit. This is the mango plant. It's very beneficial. You see, they've removed some of the back. They are using it for medicine. It's very powerful. It can treat malaria, typhoid fever, any kind of stomach problems. You make a decoction from the back, and then you boil it. Once you boil it, you can take it morning, afternoon, and evening. The leaves is also powerful, but today I'm talking about the back, the mango back. You see the back. You see, people have started taking the back, and then they've take part of the back to do a lot of medicine in the community. So the mango plant is also beneficial. Subscribe to the channel. I have a full video about the mango tree, its spiritual and physical benefits on this channel. Subscribe and watch. Yes, thank you for watching. Mosquito plant, that is the mosquito, African mosquito plant. It's a very powerful plant that can also boost your immune system. Yes, you see the colorful flower. The colorful flower are also important. They are also used for medicine. This is plant lifestyles. I have a lot of video about the details video about this. Subscribe to the channel and enter into my channel for the video about this African mosquito. As you can see, there are some leaves where the ants are around it. You can see the ants. Yes, this the video that help, that kind of leaves that the ant has cover it has a powerful spiritual use. We can use it to protect yourself from evil spirits and also protect yourself from any kind of disease that comes spiritually. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and more extensive video about this. Thank you for watching. Lifestyle. Yes, today you can see this plant that is Konyenya Momodica charantia. That is the name, that is the scientific name. The English name is also found, or is called bitter gourd. Yeah, so this plant is very beneficial. It has a spiritual benefit. It's also powerful. Yes, if you get it, it's very good. It's very good. In fact, it prevents spiritual attack. It prevents spiritual diseases. It prevents evil spirit, demons, spiritual marriages, and all those kind of things. It's very powerful plant. Please, let me separate it from this. This is the plant I'm talking about. It is a creeping plant. Yes, it's a creeping plant. So this is the plant I'm talking about. Please subscribe to the channel. I have a full video about the preparation of spiritual bath with this to prevent evil attack. I have full video on it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you. This plant lifestyles. Subscribe to the channel. This plant is the plantain plant. It's very powerful. It has a spiritual benefit. It has a physical benefits. Those suffering from ulcer is a very powerful tool for ulcer patients. So this plant is very powerful. Subscribe to the channel. I have a full video on this plant. Yes, you see, I am in the farm and then taking videos of the plant. I have a full video on this channel. This is Plants Lifestyle. Subscribe to the channel and then you have a full. You see this plant. It has the dry part is also used as blood tonic in the community. It's used as blood tonic. You can use it to boost your, that is your appetite, and also heal your wounds, internal wounds. That is why it's good for ulcer. Yes, because any internal wounds, this is also capable of treating it. Subscribe and watch the full video on this channel. Thank you. This plant is called Nyamidria. Yes, the English name is in the description. It is very powerful plant. Its medicinal purpose and physical, that is, you have the spiritual and the physical purpose of this plant. Even the bark is used to treat all kind of, that is all kind of ailments in the or on the surface of the skin, or skin diseases, skin problems. It is very powerful. It is called Nyamidria in my language, but the English name is in the description. You can research on it. It's very powerful to treat stomach problems like typhoid fever and then ulcer. Yes, it's very good plant. If you find it in your location, protect it. Yes, subscribe to this channel. This channel is Plant Lifestyle. Subscribe for more videos about plants and herbs. I've done a video or extensive video about this plant explaining its benefits. Subscribe. This is the red cassava. There's magic cassava. This cassava is powerful. You can use this to treat a lot of spiritual illness. You can use to physical, even those suffering from piles. Yeah, it's very beneficial, powerful. I have a full video on it. Check it well. You see, it is this the red cassava. If you get this cassava, you've gotten lucky. Yes, I have a full video about this red cassava, its powerful benefit, what it can be used for spiritually and physically, and then what you can do with it. Even it is also food for people. They use it to prepare soup. Yes, I have a full video about the preparation on my channel. Subscribe to the channel and watch the spiritual benefit of this plant and what its physical benefit. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Forward this video to people for also to subscribe to this channel to get the benefit of this plant. This plant. Yeah. Thank you. This is the pawpaw tree. Very beneficial, powerful, antioxidant. It is, the leaf is powerful, antioxidant, and also anti-inflammatory. It's a natural plant where we use the dry leaves to also quench a lot of diseases, and it's the dry leaf is also used as a blood tonic, and then you can use it to stimulate your appetite. You see, this is the dry leaf. Yes, the dry leaf of pawpaw is also beneficial, and this is the stem. This is the stem of the pawpaw. It's very beneficial. Subscribe to the channel. I have done extensive video about the use of pawpaw to treat ailments, stomach problems, ulcer, typhoid fever, malaria, a lot of diseases, using dengue fever, using this leaf. I've made extensive video. Please subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Plant Lifestyles for more videos. Thank you. This is the pear leaf. Pear leaf is powerful, very powerful and medicinal, physical health and then spiritual health. It's very powerful. This is the pear plant. Yes, pear plant. So subscribe to this channel. I've made an extensive video about the explanation of the benefit of the leaf, the pear leaf, and then I've made an extensive video about its benefit, how to use it to treat a lot of illness. Yes, the pear leaf is very important in the treatment of ailments, and then spiritual benefit. Yes, it has also a spiritual benefit. So just subscribe to Plant Lifestyles for more videos. Move onto the channel and watch a lot of videos because we deal with plants. Yes, this is the cassava leaf. The red cassava is very powerful. It has a spiritual benefit and a physical benefit. The food is found here. This is where the food is found. Yes, and this is the stem and the leaves. These are the leaves. The cassava plant is very beneficial, and the fruit is also beneficial. We use the leaf for spiritual use and physical health benefits. Yes, even the stem is used. This one is used for medicinal purpose. So yes, as you can see, this one is also used. So the cassava is good. Subscribe to the channel. I have a video about how to use it to treat a lot of ailments and also the spiritual benefit of this plant. It is on my channel. Please subscribe. You deal with plants and what plant can do. Yes. Dry leaf of plantain. Very powerful. Yeah, the dry leaf of plantain. This is my plantain farm. I want to talk about the benefit of plantain farm. That is the plantain leaf. The dry leaf is used as blood tonic and also heal wounds. So stomach ulcer, and then it's used to treat wounds. Those in my community, those who have given birth newly, use it to treat their wounds and also a lot of things. So the leaf, the fresh one also have benefits. I've done a video about the full benefits of this plantain dry leaves and then fresh leaves on my channel. You can just subscribe to the channel for more videos. The channel is now growing. We are teaching plants. It is plant lifestyles. The benefit of plants, what we can use plants for, the medical property, their spiritual use. I've taught about the physical and the spiritual use of this leaf, the fresh leaf, the spiritual leaf.